Did you see the state of this bench? I'm going to show you the cleaning power of D-Clean by diluting it 1 to 100. So we have here a 500 milliliter spray bottle. I will put 5 milliliters, which is here in the syringe, of the product in the spray bottle and fill it with water, and we will do the cleaning process of this bench. Follow the video. The bench is in very bad shape, as you could see. And we will do the cleaning here using the standard cleaning method, extractor, brushing everything properly. Follow the video. So look, with the dilution done, what I want to show you here, look, this seat here, look, although it seems wet, it's not wet, okay folks? This here, look, is actually a stain. So we have an oil stain. This is the seat that had a car part with dirty oil, right? There is mineral dirt here, so we have soil, and we are going to do the following so you can see the product's efficiency, okay? As I showed you, the seat is not wet, okay? What am I going to do? I'm going to do a part of the seat with brushing, with the rotary, and a part of the seat just with extraction with the extractor, okay? So folks, here, look, I will apply the product directly on the fabric. Cleaning has to be done this way. And I will let the product work to tackle the dirt, to float the dirt, to break down the dirt molecules here. And on this side, the same thing. I will apply it. Remember, we are using a dilution of 1 to 100. It's a very high dilution, even with the seat in the condition you saw. So folks, besides applying the product on this side here, I will give it a light brushing. And this side here I will not brush. Here it will be brushed and extracted, and this side here only applied. We can already clearly notice here, look, that we can already see the color of the fabric here, and here the dirt that was there. And now I'm just going to extract, okay? So folks, here you saw the efficiency of the product. Now the seat is wet. I will wait for it to dry to show you the result after it dries. So here, I even left it a bit larger than the tape to really show you the difference, right, between before and after. We show here that even without brushing, we have a really nice efficiency of the product, even at the dilution of 1 to 100, which was the dilution we did here. So in this case, folks, you could even use a greater dilution to clean this bench, because I didn't have to put in any effort to do it. With brushing, I got 100% results. Without brushing, I got 100% results. So here, without a doubt, I could use 1 to 150, 1 to 200, and D-Clean would handle cleaning this seat, which you saw at the beginning of the video was very dirty. Awesome, I hope you liked it. Run to the nearest store and get your D-Clean, which will be a versatile product to save you in various situations. Thanks everyone. So, folks, as promised, after a few hours of drying, look, the seat is completely dry. So this is the real result, right, of the cleaning with just one pass of D-Clean. It was like this when we started cleaning the seat. At this level, we couldn't even see the color of the seat's details. And we managed to achieve this super cool and satisfying result with just one pass of D-Clean and the extractor here. So super cool, the product delivers what it promises. That's it, go get yours and purchase D-Clean.